Having trouble sending picture messages on Straight Talk? You're not alone. The most common reason is incorrect APN settings. MMS requires a data connection, and APN settings tell your phone how to connect to Straight Talk's network for data and MMS. If these settings are wrong, your picture messages won't go through. APN stands for Access Point Name. It's the gateway that connects your device to Straight Talk servers for data and MMS functionality. On Android devices, you can find APN settings in Network and Internet settings. On iPhone, check Cellular settings. Also, ensure your mobile data is turned on and that MMS is enabled in your messaging app's settings. Straight Talk operates primarily on Verizon's network, so issues can also arise from network switching or SIM activation errors. Let's get this fixed. Here's how to fix your Straight Talk MMS issues. First, check that mobile data is on and MMS is enabled in your messaging app's advanced settings. Next, manually configure your APN settings. This is most important for Android users. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, Access Point Names. Create a new APN with the following settings. Name Straight Talk, APN TF Data, MMSC HTTP MSTF.net, MMS Proxy MS3 MMS Port 80 3GC MNC 410, APN Type Default MMS Supl. Finally, save this APN and select it. Then restart your phone. If problems persist, contact Straight Talk support or reset your network settings. Consider using RCS messaging as an alternative if available.